Hello everyone, this is Tanvi Khan and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to improve your English and my journey of improving my language. Well, I started from the very start. When I was in school, I was really bad in this language. How I started was I started watching videos in English, watching movies in English. If you do not understand movies in English, so try to switch on the subtitle. Read on the subtitle, read in English. Try to read newspaper, comics, books in English. If you want to learn any language, be it English, Hindi, Germany, France, or anything, so you have to make your whole environment about that language. For example, when you go out and you talk to with your parents, try to talk in English. Even if you know you are making mistake, do not hesitate. Only when you make mistakes, you will be able to know better. You will be able to improve your mistakes. Um, so when I started with making a small sentence. I used to make a lot of mistakes, but I made sure I am still speaking in that target language. Do not hesitate. Now start watching a small video. The best thing is to watch cartoon in English. Now it might sound funny, but I must tell you, the language they use in cartoon is the perfect grammar because kids was cartoon and they was cartoon to learn. গরম রে। Now, that's why the people who make cartoon, they make cartoon sure that they are using perfect grammar and they are using the perfect language so that the kids can understand and learn. Start watching any cartoon in English. That is the best thing you can do. Otherwise, stop watching movies in cartoon or in animation. They do not use slangs. They use perfect formal sentence. You see how much you learn from cartoon. You won't be able to learn from the movies. Also, you have to know the basic of grammar. And you have to know that is noun, what is objective, what are pronoun, everything. If your basic are clear, so these sense are very fast. You will make any mistake. Listening English will help you a lot to understand. What a person who is speaking English is saying, and you will be able to comprehend better. Then try to speak in English. Try to find of your partner. Pick any friend and tell him or her that you want to improve your English. And from now, on you will only speak in English. Try to get into conversation with your friends or only this language. It might get a bit uncomfortable for you. You might not be able to explain more, but slowly you will. Do not hesitate. When I was a child, I used to make a lot of mistakes, but still I used to speak in English. People might make fun. I know that happens, but do not get yourself down. Let them say whatever they want. You do not have to stop. You have to continue your path. And so I used to watch a movie even though I was not understand English. I used to read on the subtitle. Sometimes I used to just read the subtitle, then again play the again, then read the subtitle. It might be time consuming, but it is very helpful. Also, I suggest you to take a notebook with you. Whenever you are watching something, if you feel like, okay, this is a good sentence to use, pause the video and write the sentence in your notebook and try to use it the next time. When you speak in English, I still do it when I was movie, when I was any series in English, and I feel like, oh wow, this is a wonderful sentence to use. I pause the video there. I put the sentence in my notes and I try to use it the next time. Also about vocabulary, try to enhance your vocabulary. Allah. Try to learn at least of three new words every day. It will help you a lot. Trust me, I myself have a full notebook in which I have written the word book, which I did not know the meaning of. I searched the meaning on Google and then I started using those words. It might be uncomfortable sometimes, but I am pretty sure it will pay you off. Also, do not stop working on your grammar. Okay, and try to do at least one or two worksheet daily. Let's see it today you are learning tense. You are learning what is present tense. So once you understand what is present tense, try to download some worksheet from internet and complete the worksheet. Do the worksheet such as try to write in your present tense. Also try to maintain a diary. Okay. Now this diary is for you only. What you will do is by the end. What you write in the diary about your whole day. What happened today? For example, I woke up at 7 a.m. Then I brush my teeth. I went to school in. You are watching this video. कि कर रहे हैं? So guys, Um, Once your writing, listening is done. Okay. Try to read a, article, anything that interested you. Let's say you are interested in why education is important. Okay, you want to read on this article. Try to find the article on internet and read them. For example, let's say you want to read about your fashion. So you can search that subject on Google. You will get uh, you will get yeah, you will try to read them, see how to article is reading, see what kind of structure the writer has used, see how to make sentence. Okay, and but this will help you intermediate level. If you are a beginner, try to make sentence by yourself. Do not hesitate to write the sentence. In the meantime, um, you can do anything. Okay. Start reading, listening, speaking. Um, I cannot again state enough on how much speaking is important. You might be making mistakes. Do not hesitate. Just keep on going. Speak. This will give you the confidence on how to speak in English. Next time, when you speak to someone else, you will be confident enough to speak this language. Right? So, what I used to do is I used to make my whole environment about English. People might even make fun of you. If you are living in a country where English is not your mother language, they will tell you like, why are you talking in English? Well, let them say that. Do not hesitate again. Tell them that you want to learn this language and you are trying to practice as much as you can. For example, let's say you go to a cafe. You want to order a coffee. Next time to the waiters, if you are saying this thing in bangla, আমাকে চা দাও, ভাত দি, but the waiter cannot understand your language. At the same time, English can help you. Okay, you can always buy a grammar book of English to practice it. Try to fill in as many exercises as you can. Check the answer if they are correct or not. So, writing will help you to perfect your grammar. Speaking will help you to get the confidence. Watching video will help you to listen to English, to understand it what the other person is saying. So practice is the most important things. It is the key of everything. So, practice daily and let me know how it is going. I did the same. I had practiced my English for at last past 5 years for me to get on this level now. Trust me, I was nothing in this language when I started. But right now, I am on a perfect level where I can speak confidently, and that's all the count. So I am pretty sure if I can do it, then you can do it. Okay, keep faith in yourself, and I am here with you. I will upload new video of grammar every day or every 2 days to help you practice it, to help you understand it. If you have any question on grammar or on how to speak or how to listen or how to learn, just tell me. Okay, I will help you. Uh, I will help you. So guys, always I believe in you. See you in the next video. Till then, practice. Bye.